Hey guys, it's Rishi here. Let me tell you a cold truth. Most laptop webcams suck regardless their price. And for desktops, unless you have an all-in-one PC or iMac, they don't even have a webcam. So you might think that we have to spend about 5,000 rupees for a good quality webcam. But what if I tell you, you already have one sitting in your pocket? For this, all we're going to need is our laptop or desktop, our phone, and an optional stand or small tripod that's going to hold the phone above the laptop. So to use our phone as a webcam, we first need to install an app called Arian Webcam. Open your browser and go to arian.com. In that website, there will be download links for Windows, macOS, and Ubuntu. Now, I have already downloaded it on my PC to save some time. So let's go ahead and open it. And this is how the interface is going to look like. Now on our phone, let's go and install the app from the Play Store or App Store and open it up. On an iPhone, the interface is going to look like this. You could choose between the front and back camera here, flip the footage, and turn on the flash if you're going to use the back camera. Now on Android, you're going to get this kind of interface along with some extra features. So make sure your phone and PC/Mac are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and they should be connected automatically. When you join an online meeting and your video calling app doesn't immediately detect the Arian webcam, simply go to the camera settings of that app and select Arian webcam. For example, on Zoom, it's here. On Google Meet, it's here. And on Discord, it's here. I recommend using your phone's back camera since it has better quality than your selfie camera. If you want to see how your face looks during an online video call on a separate screen other than your laptop or desktop, then use your front camera. So this app is a great way to improve the quality of your video call drastically. So that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching and see you in another one.